Hi, Hillary here with Car Keys Express, and this is the Buick, Chevrolet, and GMC Simple Key. Replacing modern car keys usually requires professional tools and equipment, but Simple Key allows you to add a new key to your vehicle with easy pairing instructions. Today, I'll show you just how easy it is. In the box, you'll find an uncut Simple Key and the user guide. There are 2 steps to making your new key work with your vehicle: cut and pair. First, cut. The new key must be cut before pairing it with your vehicle. Instead of being cut along the edge, like a house key, this key has grooves cut into the wide, flat surface of the blade. Because of this, it has to be cut by an automotive locksmith or at a car dealership. Next is pairing, but before we get started, make sure you read the important notes section in your user's guide. Okay, let's get started. These instructions have timing requirements. Once you begin, move at a quick and even pace. If you wait too long between steps, your vehicle's computer may time out and you'll have to start over. Start by inserting the original key into the ignition. Each ignition has 4 positions: lock, off, ACC, on run, and start. Turn the key to the on run position. The security light will turn on. When the security light turns off, turn the key to the lock off position and remove it from the ignition. Within 5 seconds, insert the new key and turn it on to the on run position. Once again, the security light will turn on. When the security light goes off, the key has been paired. Finally, test the key by removing it from the ignition, reinserting it, and starting the vehicle. Repeat the pairing process for any additional new keys. Congratulations, you're finished! I'm Hillary here for Car Keys Express, and now you know how easy it is to add a new key to your vehicle with Simple Key.